What is keeping you from living a satisfying life with your current dentures? When was the last time you had your formerly favorite foods? Do you automatically stop smiling when a photo is about to be snapped? Or ask that you be left out altogether from memory-making photographs? Bad dentures negatively impact your life. They could be worn out, poorly made, or maybe they just never fit in the first place. When your dentures are not perfect, you suffer. And you suffer needlessly. Dentures should be custom designed and hand fabricated for you alone, to your comfort and satisfaction. Bad dentures hurt when they don't fit properly.
Oh no!
Click and clack when you talk or swallow. Slip, even fall out at the most embarrassing moments. Fit poorly, causing pain or discomfort. All this agony and distress can be a thing of the past because good dentures fit well and can last up to 3 or 4 times longer than average. That's up to 20 years. Allow you to smile and eat normally. Stay in place. Completely change your life. Imagine chewing a tasty barbecue brisket and roasted corn on the cob, nuts, seeds, all your favorite foods, even chewy or crunchy pizza. No more bland, mushy food. No more tight-lipped smiles in family photos. No more avoiding social situations for fear that your dentures will embarrass you. What do you have to lose? Call now for your no-obligation denture consultation appointment today.